How to use Google Play Store games and apps on laptop or PC. Just go to bluestack.com and download and install the software. Open the BlueStacks software and select Google Play Store. Now click the Multi-Instances Manager and start App Player. A mobile screen pop up. Don't forget to log in your Google account. You can also change the mobile screen settings as well. After login, go to System Apps and open the Play Store. Now you can use all kind of mobile games and apps. Enjoy the mobile games experience on your laptop or PC. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Also hit the bell icon to get notification of every new video. Thanks for watching.